Welcome. Today we are going to look at KCSE 2022 CRE Paper 1. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Question 1a. State 7 differences found in the two accounts of creation in Genesis 1 and 2. B. Outline 6 attributes of God from the creation stories in Genesis 1 and 2. C. State ways in which Christians continue with the God's work of creation today. 2a. Describe the covenant-making ceremony between God and the Israelites at Mount Sinai in Exodus chapter 24, verse 1 to 8. B. Identify 7 ways in which Israelites worshipped God while in the wilderness. C. Give 7 reasons why some Christians find it difficult to serve God. 3a. State the importance of the Temple of Jerusalem. B. Outline 7 failures of King Solomon as the king of Israel. C. Identify 7 factors that led to the increase of Christian denominations in Kenya today. Question 4a. Give the characteristics of true prophets in the Old Testament. B. Explain the vision of the plumb line as shown to Prophet Amos by God. C. State 7 ways in which the church is carrying out its prophetic role in Kenya today. 5a. Explain 5 symbolic acts related to judgment and punishment as used by Jeremiah to demonstrate God's judgment and punishment to the Israelites. B. Outline 7 teachings of Prophet Jeremiah on the New Covenant. C. Identify 8 ways used by church leaders in Kenya to communicate God's message to the people. 6a. State the importance of initiation in traditional African societies. B. Identify 6 moral values people acquire during initiation ceremonies in traditional African communities. C. Outline the changes taking place in the initiation rite in Kenya today. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Answers. Differences found in the two accounts of creation. The creation of firmament, moon, suns, and stars is only in the first account and not mentioned in the second account. The planting of Garden of Eden, mentioned in the second account, is omitted in the first account. In the second account, rivers are mentioned, while in the first account they are not mentioned. In the first account, creation is in order of days, while in the second account, no day is mentioned. In the first account, creation is God-centered, while in the second account, it's man-centered. In the first account, the true knowledge of good and evil is not mentioned, while in the second account, it is mentioned. In the first account, marriage is for procreation, while in the second account, it is for companionship. In the first account, creation is out of nothing, while in the second account, it is out of substance. In the first account, God affirmed that what he created was good, while in the second account, it is omitted. In the first account, human beings are created last, while in the second account, they are created first. In the first account, God rested on the 7th day, that is Sabbath, while in the second account, no rest is mentioned. In the first account, man and woman are created in the same time, while in the second account, man is created first, then woman last. 1b. Attributes of God from biblical stories of creation. God is the sole creator, created everything in the universe. God is the source of life, he breathes man's nostrils. God is our spirit, he existed as a spirit before creation. God is a moral God, he gave orders to be followed by a man. God is perfect, everything that God created was good. God is orderly, he created in an orderly manner in 6 days. God is all-knowing, that is omniscient. He knows everything he created. God is powerful, omnipotent. His word created everything. God is powerful. He created everything for the benefit of man. God is everywhere. Being a spirit, he hovers everywhere. God is a worker. He worked for 6 days. God is eternal. He lives forever. He is only God. There is no other God. God is loving. He created a woman for the man because he was lonely. God is supreme, He is above everything He created. C. Ways in which Christians continue with God's work of creation: through procreation, by planting trees and crops, by helping the needy, by providing medical facilities and services to the sick, providing basic needs to the family, by cleaning the environment, establishing education institutions to offer training and skills, by building and constructing, by generating various forms of energy, through the advancement of science and technology, through creative talents, by protecting human rights and freedoms, through farming to produce food, through the manufacturing of goods and services. Question 2a. Covenant making ceremony. That is the sealing of the Sinai covenant. Moses came down from the mountain and told the people what God told him. And this is in Exodus chapter 24, verse 1 to 8. Moses came down from the mountain and told the people that God told him. Moses came down from the mountain and told the people what God had told him. The people agreed to obey what God commanded them. Moses wrote the words of God in a book. Moses prepared a ceremony to seal the covenant. He built an altar at the foot of the mountain. He placed 12 stones, each representing the 12 tribes of Israel. Young men slaughtered bulls to offer as burnt offering. Young men slaughtered bulls to offer as burnt and peace sacrifice to God. Moses collected the blood into 2 basins. He poured half of the blood on the altar. Moses then read the divine laws to the people, and they accepted to abide by them. He then took the remaining blood and sprinkled it to the people. The sprinkling of blood signified the sealing of the covenant. Question 2b. How Israelites worship God in the wilderness. They sacrificed to God, offering first fruits to God. They held celebrations, festivals. They built altars through songs and dances to God. They prayed and fasted to God. They burnt incense before God. They carried the Ark of Covenant. They observed the Sabbath day and kept it holy. They built tent of the tabernacle to worship. They observed the 10 Commandments. They respected their religious leaders. To see reasons why Christians find it difficult to serve God: the emergence of splinter groups within the church, the emergence of cults and ungodly activities, poor health, lack of time, that is busy schedules, fear of ridicule, negative influence from peers, emphasis on materialism by some Christians, shortage of good role models in the church, conflicts among leaders and church members, shortage of financial resources to spread the word of God, church-state conflict, lack of basic needs, different Bible interpretation that confuses, negative effect of mass media, the dependence on modern science and technology, permissiveness in the society, or you can say total collapse of moral fiber, competition from other established religions, for example, Islam. Question 3. Importance of the Temple of Jerusalem. Symbolized God's presence among the people since the ark was kept there. It was a dwelling place of God. It was a house of worship and prayers. It was a dedication